Here you go, man.
Okay, so let's do this. So I drilled the holes a little bit bigger. Okay, and you just have to line it up really well. All right, just like with the other one, but this time you can use the leverage of the handle. So you line it up, and you want to twist it to the left so it goes to the big gap here. All right, so make sure that you put your hand underneath, and I'll try to do this so you can see it. Okay, so you line it up, put your hand on the propeller, and twist, just like that. And then you're able to pull it off. All right, I think I went a little too far right here. Let's just line it up, push down, a little bit more, boom, okay? So it's really important to press down, because if you don't, then it's just like a drill bit. It's gonna wear and tear. But ABS filament is supposed to be pretty tough, so you can do that with, and then you can do this with all the propellers. So this is the Bebop 1, okay? Okay, so here's the Bebop 2, and I just want to show you that here's the original propeller key, and the holes on the original propeller key are a bit bigger. I could make them a bit bigger if you want, but I think this being a bit smaller is going to be more snug. But you can always make this a bit bigger with a 5mm drill bit, but it works. So here we go. We have to go into the right position. So make sure you press down really well, and there you go. Downforce is key here, because if you don't put enough downforce on it, then it's not going to come off. Alright, so everything. Alright, so there you go. These are a bit harder to come off than the original Bebop. Alright, so now I'm going to put it down. Make sure you push down. And now we're going to go to the left. There you go. Just like that.